Hi, hello viewers. Today I'm going to start a new series of PHP. We will take this series from 0 to advanced level. So no need to have any basic knowledge about the PHP language. We will take from it from very beginner level. Okay. So our first question is for whenever we are going to discuss about any technology, our first question is what is that technology? Like if we are talking about the PHP, that our first question would be like what is PHP? So here you can see PHP in simple terms is a programming language used to build website and web applications. It is stands for hypertext preprocessor. As you can see, PHP is a short form, but it's a acronym. Its full form is hypertext preprocessor. Okay, it is very popular because it's easy to learn and works well for creating websites like blogs, online stores, even large social network like Facebook, which originally used PHP. This term is not exactly correct, but if you Google it about it, you can see that P- PHP used in Facebook, but it is one of the language they are using now. But initially, when they launched the Facebook, its contribution was maybe uh, major in that time, but now they have used also certain technologies alongside with PHP. So our second question for any technology, like everyone wants to learn something new or any technology. The point is that jobs, like what kind of jobs and how much salary they can achieve after learning that technology, which is very important question for everyone. The job title could be you can get job title like web developer, PHP developer, software engineer or developer, backend engineer developer, API developer also. Maybe so don't panic about those new term if you heard it first time like what is API developer or what is backend developer, what is those. I'll explain one by one all those thing in our later videos. And what's a job competition and salary? PHP has a huge market in small and mid-sized company. Cities like Chandigarh, Mohali, Jaipur, Noida having very good numbers of companies which can give you a good salary as per your experience. So it is varies like candidate to candidate because the caliber and the potential or the experience everyone has different. As per the experience you will get your you are looking for or whatever you are deserve for. So there is no fixed number about the salary, but you will get. But as per the other technology or other things in this area, you will get the quicker job in this technology because there is one more option available in PHP, that is a freelancing. So if you want to start your freelancing career, so there is a huge market of this because PHP has a like large numbers of application developed on the internet. So there is always requirement, and it is also a open source technology, so always required the developers in this technology. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next.